what I'm going to try to do, go ahead. What I'm going to try to do is, I can't get up in here. So what I'm going to try to do is cut this 90 out because somebody didn't glue it correctly. And then I'm going to have to use a chisel. I can't get up in this cavity. We have T-bar ceilings all the way through here. And I'd have to rip the concrete out the side wall here. So what I'm going to have to do is try to get in here as close as I can to this. And then we'll do a little chippy chip. All right, y'all. Make sure there's nothing in the way. Here we go. Gotta be something in your face or in your eye. It's just part of the trade, guys. Part of the trade. Pray I didn't cut into that other one. We're gonna be in a world of hurt right now. Jesus Christ, man. Video burn yourself.
It's gonna be light again.
Look, it'd be light right in your face.
That's more. That's 100 watt. We had 75 before.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a suntan now.
No.
Welcome to Kentucky, Ray.
No.
If you want to do a little service call, we're gonna do one.
Yeah.
This is gonna turn out to be a big one.
I'm gonna do it right. Partial reconstruction.
That light, right? Nobody uses eights. Yep. Need something bigger. And let's get all hot.
That out of the way, you can get the saw in there.
I wish I could get this damn light out of here.
Wouldn't be too
See if
hard.
I got a big screwdriver down there. What we're going to do is try to cut that without cutting into that other PVC. Alright. Now. Get some num-num. Screw me. Okay. Now. Mother of fucking God. What in the hell am I on now? A little mess. But when we put this coupling on, you know, I do have like a little ridge right here, but this coupling, when I put this one on, I'll actually seat it all the way back to there, okay?
straight cut.
Thank you.
That's good.
Crap up.
Yeah, you can reuse that.